Hi, it's Graham from Compiler again with your next video called Facebook Advanced. Here we will be discussing the advanced features of Facebook and how it can help your business. So let's make a start, shall we? The first thing that we will look at is how Facebook can help. There are many reasons why I would recommend that you use Facebook to promote your business. These are the most important, starting with finding your customer demographic. When people join Facebook, they are asked to supply a lot of personal information. This is stored by Facebook, and when you use Facebook ads, you can target specific groups by age, gender, location, etc. To make this even easier, you can use Quaya. Quaya is a service that provides some excellent tools to really manage your Facebook campaigns well. You can schedule your campaigns, automate them, integrate them with Google Analytics, create new ad variations, split test ads, and much more. You can find out more at Quaya.com. This will all help with your Facebook ads. You may have considered advertising with Google or one of the other search engines, but with Facebook ads, you can really target your audience, and this is very important. Most people use Facebook ads to target their Facebook fan page. These are specific pages created within your Facebook account and are very easy to set up. I will show you how to do this later in the video. Once you have a fan page, you want to get likes. You want to set up your fan page so that people can access your content once they have liked your page. A page that is liked by a lot of people will get a lot of visitors. You can then use your fan page to drive traffic to your site. It is far easier to convert visitors from your own site than from a fan page. You can, however, create opt-in pages on your fan page so that you can contact them via email. Now we'll look at how to set up your Facebook account properly with Facebook Marketing Setup. You want to ensure that you have all of these things set up properly in your Facebook account, starting with a full profile. People are interested in you and want to know as much about you as they can. So make sure that you complete your profile in full. And then we have gains trust. By telling your story in full, you are building trust which will help with future sales. People like to do business with people that they trust. You need to know that Facebook has many different enhancements, so you need to use apps. There are many applications that people have created for Facebook. You can use these to build opt-in pages, run competitions, and many other things, so take a bit of time to study what benefits these apps have to offer you and what you need to use. To use these successfully, you need to create your fan page. This is so easy to do, as I will show you later. A fan page has many benefits, as we have already discussed. It is really important. Once you have a fan page, you can build a following. There are many ways that you can do this. Put a link on your website to your fan page, use Facebook ads to build your following, get more likes using various marketing techniques. You can even use your fan page to offer special Facebook deals. You can offer a special discount on your products or services for Facebook visitors. If they like your page, you can reveal discount offers to them. This works really well. Let's now take a more in-depth look at Facebook likes. There are many reasons why you should try and get as many fan page likes as you can. Here are the important ones, starting with visitor appreciation. If a visitor appreciates the content that you provide on your fan page, then they will almost certainly like your page. This is the whole concept behind the page like function. This in turn builds trust. Building trust is how you differentiate yourself and your business. A fan page with a lot of likes builds trust. It's as simple as that. It has been proven that 90% of visitors will trust a peer recommendation. Think about this. You are a Facebook user and you find an appealing fan page. You notice that it has a lot of likes. Are you likely to read what is on that page? Of course you are. This is why getting likes will help you with promoting your page. There is no point in creating a fan page and then having nobody look at it. Fan page likes are the key to promoting your page and should be your prime objective. You can also receive likes through interaction. If visitors leave a comment or ask a question on your page, then make sure that you provide an answer as soon as you can. People will really appreciate this, and a lot will like your page as a result. You can also open up your page for customer feedback. You can invite your customers to leave a comment about your product and service on your fan page. Obviously, you need to be confident in what you provide in the hope that you will receive good testimonials. This is a great way to get likes. Now we will look at more ways for getting more likes. So by now you will have worked out that this is all about getting likes. Here are some more ways to get them, starting with Facebook ads. I've already mentioned this. The best way to use Facebook ads is to drive traffic to your fan page. Give people a reason to like your page when they get there, and a lot of them will. You should also ensure that you make continuous posts. If your fan page looks like it has little activity, then this will put people off, and they are unlikely to like your page. If you have a blog, then you can add snippets from that onto your fan page. Tell people what your customers are thinking and what new products and services you are in the process of launching. Just keep posting. Next we have use great images and videos. Visitors like multimedia, so give it to them. Images of your products, your team, satisfied customers are all great. Video testimonials are really good. A video featuring you and your team is a very good idea. Make sure that all the content on your fan page is relevant and useful. You don't want to post nonsense on your fan page like what you had for dinner and information about your trip to the hospital. You want to help people with their problems and tell them about how you can solve them. Keep it relevant. Also remember to be authoritative. You want people to believe that you are an expert in your field. Well, you are, right? So, speak with authority about your subject. People like dealing with experts, so show them that you are one. On your fan page, you always need a call to action. What is the main purpose of your fan page? To get opt-ins? To drive traffic to your website? You must have a clear call to action. Now we will get to the nitty-gritty of creating a fan page. Some pointers here before I show you how to create a fan page. Firstly, it is very easy. Creating a fan page is as easy as following a few simple steps. When you've created your page, it is highly recommended that you use good graphics. I've seen a lot of fan pages spoilt by the use of low quality graphics. Don't go there. Treat your fan page as another shop window to your business. Make sure that you post about your company. Don't go over the top with this and make it too sales driven. Just tell them gently how great you are at what you do. You need to spend time learning about apps for opt-ins and blog integration. There are thousands of apps for Facebook. Some of them could be really useful to you. Once you have determined the purpose of your page, then use apps to achieve it. Remember at all times to be passionate. In all of your Facebook fan page communications, be as passionate as you can. Show everyone that your business is your life and that you love your customers. Okay, time to have a look at how to create a Facebook fan page. Hello again. Well, here I am in a Facebook account. Now, this is a dummy account that I set up. My name's not really Deborah. I just want to set this up for demonstration purposes. What we have to do when we go into the main page of Facebook like this is go to the left-hand side, scroll down a bit, and you will see a link there under Pages. Whoops. And it says Create a Page. So we want to click on that link. and that will take us to this page, which is where we select the type of Facebook fan page that we want. Now you can see here we've got many options: local, business or place, company, organization or institution, brand or product, artist, band or public figure, and so on. Now, if you've got a local restaurant or something like that, then local, business or place is a good choice. But Compiler Training is a global organization, so I'm going to choose company, organization or institution. Now the first thing you need to do is select the category that your business is in. There's lots here, so I'm going to choose Internet and Software. Then I'm going to enter the company name, which is Compiler Training. Then you have to agree to the Facebook page terms and then just hit Get Started. Takes a few seconds and it will then create your page. So we're into the setup phase now. The first thing is the About phase. So we're going to write a short description about Compiler Training here, which will be visible on search engines and so on. So let's just put something like this. Compiler Training provides help and advice to users of web hosting. And something along the lines of comprehensive video training is supplied. Now you want to put a bit more effort into yours. Facebook name. Now this is important. I'm going to just use Compiler Training, but if I really thought about it, I would use a keyword like web hosting training or something like that. So if people search for that term in Google or whatever, there's a chance it will come up. Now this next bit is quite important. It says, is Compiler Training a real organization, school or government? If you click yes, it starts to ask you all kinds of other questions. Now obviously if your business is totally legit, then go for yes and just answer the questions. I'm going to go for no here because I've just made this up basically. So I'm now going to save the info and it will take us to the next page, which is the profile picture. Now what you want here is an image. It can be an image of you, an image of your business premises, your logo, whatever. I've already created one. It's 180 by 180 in pixel size. So I'll just go to the folder and find it. Just bear with me a second. So many files. Here we are, Facebook images. Compiler 180 by 180. And what that does is it's going to insert the compiler logo into there, as you can see. Then we go to next. This is to add to favorites. So when you go into your main page, you can have a icon there for the Compiler Training fan page. Makes it easy to get to. Always worth doing. So do that and hit next. Then it's about reaching more people. And this is a page about Facebook ads. You know, do I want to start advertising? Well, I don't at the moment, so I'm going to skip that. And our page is being built. Now this is our fan page, and the first thing it's going to ask us to do here is to like it. Alright, like our own page. This is the only opportunity you'll get to do this, so I suggest that you do. Now it's saying invite your friends. You know, you want to build an audience, which we talked about in the presentation. So I'm going to go to next, and it's got a useful tool here to invite your email contacts, which I'm not going to do at this particular point in time. What I am going to do is to add a cover. So you can see this from the screen here, just click the button and it says pick a unique photo, just OK. And then I'm going to upload files from the computer, and I'm going to select the second image there. And there you can see the big compiler image. Just hit Save Changes. Now, as I said in the video presentation, you should make an effort with these images to make them quality and something that really conveys the message of your business. I did this quickly, so it's certainly not perfect. But as you can see, that it makes the page look good. And the last thing we want to do is just add some content. And it's you can see here you've got a post box. So what you want to do here is think about this, not just rush into it, but add something of interest about your business. So I've put here, this is the latest information in my business. And once you finish typing your message, you just hit post, and it will add that information to your page. And there you see it. People can like that, they can comment on it, they can share it. So that's a Facebook fan page. We've done it in a few minutes, 7 or 8 minutes. Very, very easy, I think you would agree. You do need to put some thought into what you're going to add to it, but the creation of the page is very easy. Well, that is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and found it useful. In the next video, we will be discussing the advanced use of Twitter. So, see you then.